Hello, welcome to another exciting video. In today's series, we would be solving a practical question in mathematics, change of subjects, right? So let's quickly delve into the question. So our question for the day is, make C the subject of the relation. So our given relation or equation is the fraction P multiplying C square multiplying W over B square equals S, right? So we have to make C the subject of the relation, right? Okay, so let's quickly delve into it. So solution. Right, so our given equation is P multiplying C square W over B square equals S, right? So what we have to do is to multiply through by the LCM, which is B square, right? So our LCM is B square. So here this S has an invisible one here, like this. So we have P square equals W over B square equal S over 1. Every number is divisible by 1, right? So we have our equation to be this. So from here, what you have to do is you cross multiply. Okay, so the denominator at the left hand side, the denominator at the right hand side would multiply the numerator on the left hand side. The denominator on the left hand side would multiply the numerator on the right hand side. So we are going to have our equation to be 1 multiplying P C squared W, right, equals S multiplying B square, right? So we are going to have our equation to be 1 multiplying another number will give you that number, which is P squared W, right? So we are going to have 1 multiplying P squared W to be P square W, which is equal to S multiplying B square will give us B square S, right? Because B is an alphabet that comes before S, right? So B square S, right? Yes. So now what we have to do is we are asked to make C the subject of the relation, right? And C here, which is PC square W, right? The C here is a square, and aside it being a square, has certain, is like accompanied with certain variables, right? So in order to free up C square, right, we divide PC square W, okay, by P W, right, for C square to be left alone. So whatever you do for the left hand side, you do same for the right hand side. So the right hand side will have B square S equals P W, right? So you do some cancellations. P here would cancel P there. W here will cancel W here. So we are going to have our C square equals the fraction B square S over P W, right? And here we have our fraction to be c squared equals the fraction b squared s over pw, right? And in doing so, we were asked to make c the subject of the relation, but here's our c here is c squared, right? So c squared means c multiplying c, right? However, if you want to eliminate a square, right? If you want to eliminate a square, what you have to do is to introduce the root square, right? So we are going to have our equation to be root square of c square equals, and remember, whatever you do for the left hand side, you do same for the right hand side. So our right hand side will have the root square multiplying the fraction b square s over p w, right? So we have our equation to be c square equals the root square multiplying the fraction b square x over pw, right? And we want to eliminate the square, right, for us to have c to stand on its own, so that, or for c to become the subject of the relation, right? So what we have to do is this square here will cancel the root square, right? So for c to be alone, so we have our c to be the root square of the fraction b square x over p w as our final answer, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.